Next tool in pen and pencil tool is here, pass brush tool. It's very simple. As you can see, it's automatically open the pass brush. I call them vector brush because we have two kind of brush, a pixel brush that are a pixel, and these are vector brush. That's like it's difference between vector and pixel. Very simple. You can see we have a lots of kind of the brushes here. You can see, you can explore them and see, select one of them and just click and drag. It's sitting very simple. With this you can change the stroke color. With this you can change the radius of that. This is an opacity. If you want to, you can see change opacity. For changing one of these, you have to select them and then going to this and simply change the brush. And in a more, we have the settings of this. I will show you how to create your own vector. It's very simple. For example, you are going to this and this. You can see it's very simply, you can change it. You can more. For assigning the settings of that, you can double click on them to see it again. I will show you more. Here we can. Before drawing, you can see you can change the blending mode. For example, this color on this, you can see. You can change the blending mode of that. Different blending mode. Interesting. And like other pen, we have a stabilizer with this pen, and you know that. And we can change this rope. Here it's a brush controller. Again, velocity and pressure, you know this. Let's talk about how we can change the settings of that. Double click on the brush that is selected. You can see we have a lots of brush here. We have some setting here for pass brush that I will show you more about that. Don't forget, do not save. These are preset and you cannot change them. Just you can save as another name if you want. You can change the name of that. You can change the brush width here. You can change size variance. You need a pen and velocity thing to create that. Velocity of opacity, and here's a pressure. You can click on this and see what pressure it means from beginning to the end. What happened to that? You can see the difference between them. But we have lots of there. You can see it's a simple texture that we sample this part. You can make it larger. You can see if you want to better see, or you can sample just this part of your brush, and this texture will be stretched. You can repeat it. You can see you can repeat this brush, or you can stretch it. You can see it's stretched. I will show you how to create your own brush. So again, these are brush and you can edit them. It's very simple. We are making the head smaller, and you can see it's very simple. You can go to node tool, and now you can edit them. These are pass brush. It means you can edit their pass. You can, it's like a vector, but in a pixel you cannot do this. You have to erase it. I don't know, a lot of other works in a pixel. In a vector, your hand is free. Okay, let's talk about these settings. We're going to that. Oh, sorry, these settings. Okay, you can create a new category. You can call it my brush Okay, this is my brush. And inside of that, you can create three kind of brushes. You can rename category, duplicate category, delete category, sort category, show list, show brush name, auto scroll. When you select it, automatically auto scroll, open this. You can see it if you select this, it automatically go to there, but this is custom. Okay, and you can import the brushes you can download from internet. You can export your brushes and go give it to your friend. We have three kind of brushes here that we can see. New solid brush. It's a very simple brush. If you double click, you can see. Make sure that you're selecting nothing, because if you select your brush again, you can see it. You can. This is my brush. You can go to any of this brush and just select it to change your brush. Make sure you are deselect everything. Going to your category, where was that? My brush. This is a simple brush. If you double click that, you can see it's a simple brush, solid brush. You can change the variance of the length, variance of the opacity, and you can see it does not have any texture. And this is a simple, this is a simple brush. Another brush that we can create is a new texture intensity brush. It means you can create your brush like the texture, like this. You can simply insert a texture, a black and white texture. A white texture, the object and the outside are black. So you have to insert black and white texture. It means the black part will be cut and it shows white part. So for doing that, you're going to your brush, then insert new texture intensity. Okay, you can see we have two kind of black and white codes. So we need a white texture shape with a black outside. And done. It's creating for you. If you double click on that, it is there. You can see this is our texture. You can sample it. For example, here I make it near this star that suddenly have a box. We cut it. It's actually crop, or you can sample this if you want. So you can see it's stretching here. You can change the width of that and just stretch this star if you need. You can make it repeated if you want. Simple like this. Very easy. Another from texture, vice versa, white background. It create, select that. It creates something like this. But you have to go in here and make it repeat. You can see always the black area will be cut and white area will be maintained, and you can create such these things if you want. And the color of that is based on the color of the strokes that you set, like this. But if you want to insert a colorful texture brush, you have to use this again, new texture image brush, and you can insert your colorful object. Double click on that, make it repeat, and done. If you have assigned texture on that, you can see it changed the color of that. Make sure if you insert texture image brush, make sure you are disable stroke color. In this way, you can see the own color of your texture and repeat that. Okay, this is pass brush tool and its brush settings. It's very easy, but the setting on a pixel brush a little bit more. That will reach that.